Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I had this great opportunity to go ahead and drive on an actual track. This was an amazing experience, and of course I chose the Porsche 911 GT3, and this is going to be a point of view slash like literally a point of view, and then there's going to be some stats on the side so you guys can see my mile time. But yeah, this was a great experience, and I'll let the footage play and you guys can see all the stats. Let's roll.
Left, straight over, on the gas, go for it. You want to keep it tight through here. On the corners? Yep. And you'll bring it back to the right. Perfect. No brakes, just turn it to the left. Yep. And gas, go for it. Straight through. Out right, and a little bit of brakes. Yep. Look in for that cone up there. Put the car to it. Yep. And power out. Go for it. Come in on that right hand side. Hit that cone up there on the left. And then just straighten out your wheel. You're going to go down the right hand side. All the way out left here, back to the inside, then look ahead, there's a cone all the way out there, accelerate to it. Gas. Straight over the hill, just keep it straight. Out to the right. And brakes, you want to get all the way to the edge of the track here, so all the way out, and then back in tight.
Okay, gotcha. Oh, is this the 180 one?
The 180 one's the uphill.
Okay.
In left?
In left.
Yep. Full throttle.
Oh my.
And on the brakes. Good. Out wide. And turn it back in. Good. And gas. Go for it. Keep her tight. Good. Right. A little bit of brakes in. And gas out. Good. Out right. And brake. Keep it right.
Oh, this is the one.
Dive back in. Yep. And gas. You're good. Perfect. Perfect. And on the right, grab the cone on the left. And gas over the hill. Good. A little bit of brakes here. Let it out wide. Back to the inside. Accelerate it. Good. And gas. Gas out. In left. And full throttle. And brake hard. Brakes. Good. Back in tight.
Oh, that G4 is great. Oh, yeah.
And gas. Go for it. Gas. Good. Brake. And tight all the way. You good? Gas out. Perfect. Grab your cone. Back on gas, down the right. gas out. In, yep. And full throttle. Good. Brake hard. Brakes. Good. Back in tight. Back on gas. Go for it. Keep it tight. Good. Right. A little tap of the brakes into the left. Full throttle out. Good. Brake hard. Cut it back in all the way. Good. Gas out. Awesome. Grab your cone. Good. Down the right. A little bit of brakes out wide. Back in. Good. After this cone, stay right and let off the gas. We're going to let a car go by us real quick. So just let off. 911, you can go. Alright, just keep going. Or never mind, let them go. No. And keep going out. In tight. Awesome. And that was the last one. So we'll be through the 2 yellow cones straight ahead.